In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple audios in Canva. If you're working on a video or a presentation and want background music, a voice clip, or a sound effect to play together, this process is straightforward and takes just a few moments once you know where to look. Start by opening the project you want to work on. With the design loaded, head to the left-hand sidebar. You'll either find your audio under Elements if you're using Canva's built-in library, or under Uploads if you've already added your own files. Choose the audio you want, then click and drag it directly onto your project. As soon as you drop it in, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a new audio layer appear on the timeline beneath your design or video pages. This bar represents where the audio starts and how long it runs. To add more audio, repeat the same move. Go back to Elements or Uploads, select your second track, and drag it onto the project. It will show up as its own separate layer on the same timeline. Each audio clip sits on its own track, which makes it easy to see how they relate. If one layer overlaps another, those sections will play at the same time. That's useful when you want music under a voice clip or when you're layering short effects. If you don't want them to play together, simply make sure the bars don't overlap. You can refine the timing with simple click and drag actions. Grab an audio bar and slide it left or right to decide exactly when it starts. If you need to shorten where the audio plays in your project, drag the ends of the bar inward to trim its beginning or end. This helps you place a music cue later in your video or keep a sound effect to just the moment you need it. If your track is longer than your design, only the portion that fits within your timeline will be heard, so positioning matters. As you work, watch the timeline to keep things tidy. Aligning the start of a voice clip with a beat, or spacing out effects so they don't compete, can make your project feel more polished. If you need precision, move the bars slowly and pay attention to how they line up visually. That's all there is to it. Drag your audio into the project. Stack or separate the layers as needed, and adjust the timing by clicking and dragging until everything sounds the way you want.